Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily change the language of WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to put your likes under this video and write your comments. And let us get down to our topic. And let's say that if you have WhatsApp in English, as I do, but you are not very comfortable using this language, you want to change something in the settings. Then, unfortunately, from the settings in WhatsApp, you can't do that on the iPhone. For this, friends, I recommend you to go to the iPhone settings. Then, in the settings, you'll need to scroll down to the very bottom. And in the apps, find WhatsApp. Open it up. Also at the bottom, you'll find the language option. Tap on it. And here you'll find a full list of languages that you may already have. You may have added to this app. You'll also find another list of languages at the bottom. And let's say if you wanted to change the language, then you would just have to scroll down. Find the language, click on it, and you can exit. Once you go to the WhatsApp app, it will already be in a different language. This is the way, friends, you can easily change the language in WhatsApp app on your iPhone. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.